friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I own a small jewelry business, and in this channel I share different types of jewelry that I make either from my shop or something I have found on the internet or something that I have been requested to make. And in today's video I am going to make this gorgeous flower bracelet. I do have a similar video where I only work with like the smaller beads, but I think this design with the smaller and bigger beads are absolutely gorgeous, and I was like, I have to make it, show you how to do it as well, because tell me it's not cute. That's what we're going to be making. It's not too hard. There is, as I said, a similar video that I'm going to link somewhere on the screen, and you can have a look on that as well. Let's get started. The things that I am going to use are a beading mat, pliers, some closures. These are very basic ones from Amazon that I use for the videos only. And then I have two different colors of Miyuki beads size 11/0, and then two different colors of Miyuki beads size 8/0. And then I have some fishing line, and I'm gonna use this 0.33 millimeter one, and scissors. So that's all I'm gonna use. I will link everything in description box, so if you want to purchase anything that you see on the screen, it will be in description box. And let's get started. I will take about fishing line just about a meter, but it will depend on the size of the bracelet that you want to make. I usually make mine for about 16 centimeters. And then you fold over the fishing line, so you sort of like double it. And then on the end you can just tie it up, or I will show you how to put on the closures at the end of the video. So I don't know if you want to go to the end of the video and then come back, or you can just tie it and then we can put the closures on together at the end. And now we can start beading. So I am going to start, it doesn't really matter which ones you start with, but I'm going to start with the bigger beads first. And I am going to take one bead and put each end of the fish line through opposite side of the bead. Drag it down, and then take two beads on one side of the fishing line and two beads on the other side. Like so. And then you take one of the middle beads and put both ends of the fishing line through the bead. You don't need to use the same colors. You use any colors. You can even make every single flower different color. I'm just doing it the same colors so it's easier for me to explain. So this is how it looks. And then we take these two ends, so fold them over like this. And then you take one end of the fishing line, put through two beads on one side, and then you take the other end and put through two beads on the other side. And once you put it, this is how it looks. And then you take one side, I'll take the left one, and put one bead on. Like so. And then you take the same end and your fishing line and put it through the first bead on the other side. And once you pull it, it creates a flower. And now we do the same thing but with the smaller beads. So you take one bead, put each end of the fishing line through the opposite side of the bead, drag it down, take 2 beads on one side, 2 beads on the other side of the fishing line, take the bead that we're going to use in the middle, put both ends of the fishing line through, again. This is how it looks. Then we take these 2 ends, so fold them over, take one side, put through 2 beads on one side, take the other side of the fishing line and put through the other beads. And then once you pull it, this is how it looks. And if for the bigger bead we put on this end extra bead, then for the smaller one we're going to put on the other side. So we take the bead, put it on this side like so, and then we take that fishing line and put it through the first bead on the other side. And when you pull it, this is how it looks. And now we do the same thing with the bigger beads. So 1 bead, each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. Dragging down. 2 beads on one side of the fishing line, 2 beads on the other, one bead, both ends through the bead, these 2 ends, fold them over, put one side of fishing line, 2 beads on one side, the other side of fishing line through, 2 beads on the other side, there. And again we take this side, put extra bead on, like so, and then take the same side of fishing line and put it through the first bead on the other side, pull it, this is how it looks. And now we do it with the smaller beads again, and that's it. That's how you keep going until you reach this size of bracelet or necklace or anklet or ring you want it to be. And remember, you can mix and match any colors you like. There's no, rule or anything. You can even do different size beads as well. I think it would look quite cute. So let your imagination go wild. Now we'll finish this flower and then show you how to put the closures on, and that's it. Honestly, it took me like half an hour to make one bracelet, so it's not too long either. Like so. And now I'm going to show you how to put the closures on. So this is the bracelet that I pre-made already. I'm just going to untie the fishing line where I tied it in the beginning, like so. Now I'm going to take one of the closures, just put them both ends in, and then just fold down the sides. Squeeze it very, very tight. You can cut off the extra bits. Take a jump ring, open it up, put a lobster claw on, or whichever closure you use. Put the bracelet on and close it. This is how it looks. And then we take the other side, same again, take both ends, put the ends in the closure, take pliers, just fold down the sides, squeeze it really tight, cut down the extras, take a jump ring, and put it on. And this is your bracelet done. So pretty. And this is how it looks on my wrist. Very, very cute. And as I said, mix and match any colors you like and size beads as well. It's just that I wanted to show you a new design. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.